Hello everyone, this is Pallavi, Priya, Nehru, and today we are going to talk about chapter 20 of ICD-10 CM, which is External Causes of Morbidity V00 to Y99 code category. Now chapter 20 codes, they are never listed as principal diagnosis in ICD in any cases. But these codes are very important to tell you because they intend to provide data on injury research and evaluation of injury research strategies. Now these codes, they capture why the injury happened, how the injury happened, that is the cause, and what was the condition of the patient at the time of the injury or the activity of the patient during the event occurred. So overall, this chapter code series, they'll tell you the exact description of the incident going on. Okay. Now, based on that, there are 5 major topics in this code category. The first one is place of occurrence guideline. Now, in this case, we take a code from category Y92 to tell you the exact location of the health activity occurred or the injury occurred. The second one would be activity code. Now we take a code from category Y93 to assess the activity of the patient at the time of injury or the health condition occurred. The third one would be child abuse. Okay, so for suspected conditions as well as the confirmed cases of child abuse, we take a code category from Y07. Okay, now coming to the terrorism guidelines, okay, which is the fourth part. We take a code category from Y38, which is coded as principal diagnosis here, and an additional diagnosis code from place of occurrence Y92 as the secondary code. So whenever the FBI mandates the injury occurred due to some terrorism activity going on, we assume the codes to be taken from Y38. The last one would be the health status codes, not exactly health status, the status codes. Okay, the status codes are taken from category Y99 to tell you the status of the patient at the time of injury or the health condition occurred. That means whether the patient which was involved in the certain episodes were from a civilian background or in a military background, okay, or whether the circumstances were during a military activity or a normal civilian activity. So these are the 5 important points to remember in this chapter of ICD-10 CM, that is chapter 20, External Causes of Morbidity. Thank you so much.